Hello friends, so this is the quick unboxing video of Urban Power Bank which I ordered from the Amazon. Let me tell you what is the price of it and just take it out of this packing. It is delivered to me within the 2 days, so pretty well delivery. So here is the power bank. There is no bill inside it, but I got it for 700 rupees, and it is delivered by this company. It is not delivered from the Amazon delivery service. Here we can see that Urban Power Bank, it has 18-volt quick charge. Here it is, 18-volt quick charge, type C input and output, 2-way fast charging, 12 layer of circuit protection, type C cable included, 1 year warranty, QC+PD, quick charge plus power delivery. So here it is, as we can see, its charging time. Here are the ports. So let us see how much is the price quoted on this. This is like 3000 rupees, but we get it for just the price I told you before. So let us just unbox this. It is like made in India product, Urban Power. I will also drop a video on 25 on the review of this watch, Amazfit. I also make the video of this watch review after 1 or 2 weeks. I will put a video of that. I will put the link of that video in the description box, so you can check it. It is value for money watch. So I will tell you about my 1 month experience about this watch. So as we take it out, let's see what does come inside it. If you have an iPhone and you need a power bank, so you have to order this one, because iPhone 12 Pro Max, if you have the iPhone 12 or you want to upgrade from any iPhone to 12 or on the latest version, then you should go for the power bank which comes with type C input and output port, so that you can charge your iPhones too. So here is the cable come inside it. It is like normal USB to type C port. Here's what comes inside it. 1 year replacement warranty. How to get it? We have to just click the picture of the invoice and WhatsApp to this number. What else we have? Instruction manual, which we all know that how to use. As you can see that the indication light, if the 4 lights are blowing, it is like 100% charge. 3 LEDs, it means this, 2 and 1. So here are the ports. It has one type C port, which is like input and output, power LED indicator, micro USB input and output. So let's see this brick. It is looking pretty nice actually. I think it is a metal case. So yeah, build quality is pretty nice. Here we can see that 10,000 mAh made in India. So let's check how much charge it has. It is like 100% charge. So this is a quick unboxing of this power bank. It comes with all these features, and this is the main power bank, and it comes with type C cable inside. Thanks for watching.